Title of story: The Magical Crystal Ball. In a quaint village nestled in the rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Lily. She possessed a magical crystal ball that could show glimpses of the future. People from far and wide came to seek her out for advice and predictions. One sunny morning, a group of children gathered around Lily, eager to see what her crystal ball had to reveal. Lily held the crystal ball gently in her hands and closed her eyes. As she concentrated, the ball began to glow with a soft, ethereal light. The first image that appeared was of a young boy named Jack, holding a paintbrush and surrounded by colors. Lily smiled and said, "Jack, your talent for painting will bring you great joy and success. Keep practicing, and your artwork will touch the hearts of many." The children clapped their hands in excitement. They all knew Jack loved to paint and were thrilled to hear of his bright future. Inspired by the prediction, Jack dedicated himself to honing his skills, and his artwork became renowned throughout the village. Next, Lily gazed into the crystal ball, and an image of a girl named Emily appeared. She was wearing a ballet tutu, gracefully twirling on a stage. Lily announced, "Emily, your passion for dance will take you to great heights. Keep dancing with all your heart, and you will shine on the biggest stages." Emily's eyes sparkled with delight as she imagined herself becoming a professional ballerina. She joined the local dance academy and worked tirelessly, determined to make her dreams come true. With each performance, Emily's talent blossomed, and she eventually earned a scholarship to a prestigious ballet school. As Lily continued to share the crystal ball's visions, each child received a glimpse into their future. Some saw themselves as doctors, saving lives and healing others. Others saw themselves as teachers, inspiring young minds with knowledge. The crystal ball revealed a path for each child to follow, filled with happiness and fulfillment. The children left Lily's house with hearts full of hope and dreams in their eyes. They knew that their future was in their own hands and that with hard work and determination, they could make their dreams come true. Years passed, and the children grew up, turning their dreams into reality. Jack became a renowned artist, admired for his vibrant paintings. Emily danced on the grandest stages, captivating audiences with her grace and talent. The doctors and teachers fulfilled their noble callings, making a positive impact on the lives of many. Lily's magical crystal ball had given them a glimpse of what lay ahead, but it was their own efforts and dedication that brought their dreams to life. And so, the village was filled with joy and success, thanks to the magical crystal ball and the dreams it inspired. Lily continued to guide and inspire others, reminding them that the future is not set in stone but can be shaped by their own choices and determination. The end.
Subscribe for more stories. Thank you.